purpose of the engineering department is to look for improvements in efficiency standards and to promote productivity through follow-up and optimization of resources. Engineers are assigned to each product line, and trainers are assigned to each new or underperforming worker to promote efficiency on an individual basis. Engineers like this one analyze methods and movements and time and motion studies for each operation throughout the production process. They look at machine capabilities and ergonomics as well as design a floor layout to maximize productivity. With this information, they are able to determine an accurate estimate of the time it should take to perform specific tasks called Standard Allowable Minutes, or SAMs. The sum of all these times yields the expected time to complete a particular style of garment. By maximizing flow and creating an environment for SAMs dedicated to productive work, efficiency levels increase. By minimizing wasted motions and idle time, the company can improve its bottom line.
One of the cool things that engineers have come up with to facilitate the cross-training and the multi-operations that the operators are doing are fancy things like this. Instead of needing a distributor to move fabric, or instead of having to pick it up and take it with you, they've just come up with simple things like this. She can pile the work here when she finishes sewing it and swing it over here to iron for what she needs.
Here at one of the steps in our lean manufacturing line, engineers have developed a way to eliminate the necessity for a distributor, allowing this worker to pass work onto the next station by a simple slide here.